My Lord, Advocate Nisi requested that counsel for accused 4 and 5 may proceed with their cross-examination, and if there is a need after that, he will then request that the witness be recalled to give evidence.
So you're making an application on behalf of him, on his instructions, that he forgoes chronologically his cross-examination after Ramosepidi and gives leave that accused number 4's counsel and number 5's counsel, they can in the meantime cross-examine the witness, and when he comes, if there is any need for him to cross-examine, he will do so later.
That's correct, my Lord,
okay.
And I believe he has also related that to the court yesterday.
Yeah, fine. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Nxumalo. Okay.
Mr. Nxumalo ke nanjengoba ummeli wakho engekho Mr. Nyeki ke ommeli uthi ucelile ke ummeli wakho ukuthi ke ummeli ka number 4 number 5 bangaqhubeka ke bona uma esebuyile ke uma sikhona ke isidingo uzombiza ke futhi ufakazi uma kukhona afuna ukuthi ke noma okuyizathu sokuthi ambize futhi.
Just place your name on record, because I know you. But if this matter goes to any other court, they'll be surprised if Mr. Mnisi is not here. Who is talking on behalf of accused number 3?
My Lord, my name is Munyeki. The initial is B. I'm standing in for Advocate Mnisi.
On behalf of?
Accused number 4, my Lord.
Fine. Yeah.
Number 3, my Lord.
Okay.
Well, I do have questions to the witness.
Hello, sir.
I do have questions to the witness. May I proceed with
Yes.
Thank you. Sergeant Tsiya testified that on the 6th of July 2020, he, at about 12:41, he took buccal swabs from accused number 4 at Louis Cop prison. You confirm you had that evidence? You confirm that evidence?
I was not in court.
Yeah. Okay.
Bengekho senkantolo ke uma ke uthi ethuka ke ufakazi athi ke waya ke eLuco prison kuyena umsolwa wesine.
Are you aware of that?
When, my lord, the buccal swab was taken from accused number 4, my lord, I was present.
Kodwa ke uma ke lokho kwenzeka ke noma ke thatha lokho ufakazi ke nyaka umsolwa wesine ngangikhona.
Is it correct that the buccal swabs of accused number 4 were packed and sealed in seal bag number PA 400 4638062? Do you confirm that?
PA 400
4638062.
That's correct, my lord.
Okay. Yebo kuyiqiniso ke ukuthi ke wakufakwe kule sikhwama sobufakazi esiku PA 400 4638062.
Sergeant, are you aware that this bag number was forwarded to the Forensic Science Laboratory in Pretoria?
My lord, I am aware.
Ngiyazi ke ukuthi kwase kudluliselwa ke lesi sikhwama lesi ke kwi lab ke yamaphoyisa ke ekhona la ePitoli.
Sergeant, do you confirm that the results of this DNA, that is the buccal swabs, the results or the outcome of the analysis, it was negative? Are you aware of that?
I'm not aware, my lord.
Angazi ke ukuthi iphuma noma imiphumela ke yalocwaningo lolu yabuya ke ngathi ke uma sasebenzisa lana ke igama ukuthi yayi negative.
Is it negative according to the expert who testified? Is it negative or non-conclusive? Those are the terms he used. When I said inconclusive, he said no. The scientific term for it is not conclusive. You remember that?
Yes, I remember that. I'll have to go with the report,
no.
Unfortunately.
Well, you say negative, fine. But he says it's non-conclusive. And because he says it is very rare to get to do an analysis of DNA.
Not
and not find some points which coincide, except that
Yes.
they've got to coincide in all the tables.
Yes, non-conclusive in the
You
sense
remember
that
his
it was not
evidence.
positive.
That's why he says it is non-conclusive.
Yes.
But when you say it's negative, it means there was no matching analysis
At all.
in all the DNA sample.
Yes, I'll have to revisit the report.
Okay, fine.
Yes, thank you. Sergeant, you testified that we have been in charge of these investigations since 2018, so it's a period of about 6 years.
I have been in charge.
Dealing with this case, the 636 docket, you took over the investigation from 2018.
I did not take over took over my lot of any investigations.
Okay, what did you do?
Angikaze ke ngithathe uphenyo ngithi ke kukhona la engilithathe khona noma lwandluliswa ke bese ngase ngiyalithatha ke mina.
What did you do? Did you commence with your investigation from 2018?
My lord, I will get instructions, my lord, to follow up on some information. I will get instructions, my lord, to obtain statements. I will get instructions, my lord, to take the exhibit to the forensic science laboratory. And I will get instructions, my lord, to maybe to accompany, to be part of the team. For instance, we went to Pukeng, I was there.
No, it's fine.
Ngangithi mina ngitholeke noma ngitshelweke ukuthi ke mhlambe nanjengoba saya ke ePhukeng hambe ngiyothatha ke ama statements ke noma nginikezwe umsebenzi othize okufanele ngikwenze yilokho okwakwenzeka.
From when did you do that exercise?
From when?
From which year?
Around 2018, my lord.
Kwenzeke lokho ukuqala ke noma kusuka ke ngayo 2018.
So we have been doing that for 6 years.
That's correct, my lord.
Iminyaka ke eyisithupha leyo.
Sergeant, is it correct that part of the evidence that the state, that is the state and the police relied on heavily against my client, accused number 4, is a confession statement which was allegedly made by accused number 2. Do you confirm that?
My lord, I cannot confirm anything.
Ingabe kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi ke ubufakazi ke umbuso kanye ke namaphoyisa abanawo ke ngakulo wengimeleke unumber 4 yiloko ekuthiwa noma ke enithi kwashiwa uyena unumber 2 egunyuluka ukuthi ke akukho engaqinisekisa.
Okay, according to you, what is the information that you have in the docket which implicates my client, accused number 4?
My
in
lord,
this
as I
case?
said before, that I know part of the investigations, my lord. At this point, I cannot really say what is it, my lord, that is linked, my lord, in connection of accused number 4. But Brigadier Gininda will be the one, my lord, who will give the overall view, my lord, of the state case.
Inike eninayo ke ngokufakazi noma ngokophenyo ke kuyena ke unumber 4 bengishilo ke ngaphambilini ukuthi ke ngazi ingxenye ke yomsebenzi ke noma ubufakazi ke okhona lana ukuthi yinike umbuso onayo ke ngakuyena unumber 4 angeke ngikusho ke kodwa yena ke uma sefika noma seza ke uBrigadier Gininda uyena ke manje osezo kusho konke ke ukuthi icala lombuso lingani.
So, from that part of the information that you have, I mean, I'm being direct now. What information do you have that implicates my client from the information that you have?
That's a good question, Lord. I don't think that's a fair question. Evidence is being presented. Colonel Stein has testified about the communication between the accused as well as Colonel Halls. It's for this court to decide and not for this witness.
Mshishisi utakuyena ke lofakazi ozothatha leso sinqumo ukuthi ubufakazi anabo uKolonel Stein ufakazileke ukuthi kwakunokuxhubana phakathi kwabasolwa noKolonel Fosi ukufakazileke lokho.
Yes, Mr. Moore.
Sergeant, let me be direct now. Part of the investigation, according to your brigadier, that is Brigadier Gininda, is a statement, a confession statement that was made by accused number 2, implicating my client, accused number 4.
Say, you wanted to answer. No, she says she doesn't know. You wanted to answer that.
I'm-
Well, you quoted the law and said that that Mr. Ngomezulu, you cannot use the confession of accused number 2, number 1. You remember that recitation?
Yes, I haven't finished.
Now now you are asking her. You don't foresee any danger in doing that.
I'm not finished with my question, my lord.
You said it, and then I kept quiet. Now you're repeating it. Is it correct that, Sergeant, you used the confession or the statement of accused number 4, of number 2, to follow if you have a case against number 4? That's what you said.
Yes.
And then I just let it pass.
Yes, I haven't denied that, my lord. I said it.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
As long as I've warned you.
Yes.
The law says I must warn you.
Yes.
Because the law is clear. Is it 219, sir?
It's 219.
Yes,
I do have
219
those
says you
provisions.
cannot use.
Yes.
But if you interrogate a witness about that, what happens, Mr. Ramsipiti?
I haven't sucked
Okay,
any,
fine,
I
let's
haven't
continue.
sucked any information from the statement that was made by accused number 2, my lord.
Okay, right.
Lana ke inkantolo isiyamxwayisa-ke noma iyamkhumbuza-ke ummeli ukuthi-ke nanjengoba umthetho usho-ke ukuthi uma ngabe kusetshenziswa-ke isitatimende sokugonyuluka-ke senziwe umunye umsolwa asetshenziswa ngakomunye, kodwa-ke manje ngombuzo obuza ubufakazi-ke usufuna aphenduleke kuzokwenzekani-ke manje lobo bufakazi sebuyasetshenziswa-ke.
Maybe
Yes.
I should
No.
repeat the question.
Please repeat the question.
Yes, let me repeat the question for you. According to Brigadier Yena, in the statement that he made when he was applying for a warrant of arrest, amongst others, it is the evidence of a confession statement that accused number 2 made implicating my client, accused number 4. Are you aware of that? Of
My
that
lord-
statement which was made by Brigadier Yena?
My Lord, I cannot comment, my Lord, on behalf of the statement that was disposed by Brigadier Yena.
Kwisicelo sakhe-ke asenza-ke Brigadier Yena-ke noma la esho ukuthi yini-ke ehlanganisa umsolwa wesine-ke ukhulume nangestatimende esogonyuluka-ke esenziwa uyena umsolwa wesibili ekhuluma ngayo umsolwa wesine, futhi-ke angikho kwisimo-ke sokuthi ngingakhuluma ngestatimende sakhe uBrigadier Yena.
Okay, maybe I should reserve that question for Brigadier Yena.
Please.
Can you speak a bit up, sir?
Yes,
This,
maybe I should. Yeah, there's aircon.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is hovering above us. I'm saying, let me then reserve that question for Brigadier Yena, not you.
Please.
Sergeant, is it correct that from the evidence that has been turned out in this court, there is no evidence from the witnesses who were in the house implicating my client, accused number 4?
My lord, that will be a matter for argument.
When you say there is no, I'm with you. I'm just commenting after Mr. Baloyi. You see, you're making it like as if there is no evidence whatsoever. That's why he's objecting, says it's a matter for argument. Because we have, and I'm not prejudging anything, we had an analyst say the people communicated, you heard that.
I've reserved that cross-examination, my lord.
Yeah, I'm saying.
So
but you are
I
asking
don't think it would be
him-
proper for me
No,
to-
Mr. Nxumalo. If you
Yes.
are wrong sometimes, just concede. Man. You lose
Yes.
nothing. You learn.
Yes. No, I do concede that.
Yeah, because there
But-
is evidence, according to the state, not me,
Yes.
through the mouth of House. Okay, let's go on.
But on that point, my lord, I just wish to clarify that there is no evidence when that communication occurred. With regards to the date.
Yeah, okay, if you qualify it like that,
yes,
fine, no
I just
problem.
wanted to qualify that.
Yeah,
yes.
qualify it, no
Yes,
problem.
so we cannot heavily rely on that evidence at this moment. Is it also correct, ma'am, that from the evidence that we are having at present, that is today, from the commencements of this case, there is no evidence whatsoever from the witnesses who identified my client in the vicinity of the crime scene? You confirm that?
My Lord, I don't know.
Ngaba kuyiqiniswa ke ukuthi njengamanje silana ke ukuthi abukho ubufakazi ke la ofakazi khona ke basho ke ukuthi sambona ke umsolo wesine mduze nala isehlakalo senzeka khona ke angazi.
Simply because the evidence is not presented to me.
Ngoba ke ubufakazi abethula mina.
But ma'am, Sergeant, you cannot just take the contents of the docket without you having gone through the statements. You are part of the investigators of this case. I was telling this court that you don't have any information about the events of this case.
My Lord, I have already laid evidence, my Lord, on what I know about this case, my Lord. And maybe you can kindly confront me with the statement which I have, whereby I am the author of.
Mina ke ukuthi ngenzani ke noma eyami ingxenye yini ke kulecala bese ngibethulile ke ubufakazi mhlambe ke usungangibuza ke ngestatement esabhalwa yimini.
Moving forward, Sergeant, do you confirm, Sergeant, that there is no evidence from independent witnesses up to so far detailing that they did identify the Polo Vivo in the vicinity of the crime scene where the two intruders got in and it sped off? Do you confirm that?
My Lord, I cannot confirm because I do not know.
Ngakusho ke ukuthi ke akekho ufakazi noma ofakazi ke abashilo ke la kule nkantolo ke ukuthi bayibona ke iPolo Vivo eduze ke nala isehlakalo senzeka khona ke la ukuthiwa ke laba ababili bangena kuyona angeke ngikusho ke lokho.
The two cell phones, the handset of accused number one, Mrs. Beer, you told this court that you forwarded them to the Brixton War Room. Do you confirm that?
May you please repeat the question, my Lord?
You confirm that you told this court that the two cell phones, the handset that belonged to accused number one, were forwarded to the Brixton War Room.
I can confirm, my Lord.
Yebo ngaqinisekisa ukuthi ngishilo ukuthi ama cellphone amabili ke wakhe umangalo wokuqala ke angawandolisela iWar Room yase Brixton.
For download. You said they were forwarded there for download.
That's correct, my Lord.
Isizathu salokho ke kwakuyokuthola ke imininingwane lokubizwa ngokuphethelezi ke i-download.
Sergeant, have you received the results of the download of the two cell phones?
My Lord, there is results, my Lord, of the downloads.
Yebo imiphumela yalokho ke noma yalawo makhalekhukhwini ababili ikhona.
Who downloaded the two handsets?
My Lord, I believe it was Sergeant Mabasa.
Cabanga ukuthi kwakuSergeant Mabasa ke umuntu owayesebenza ke ngawo lawo ma cellphone amabili.
The Sergeant, do you know if one of the handsets that you sent for downloads at the Brixton War Room had the number 079-379-0137?
My Lord, I did not analyze the downloads.
Ingabe uyazini ukuthi ke omunye walabo amakhalekhukhwini ababili ke wayene number e079-379-0137 mina ke akusimina ke umuntu okwakucwaninga noma ecwaninga ke labo amakhalekhukhwini.
Do you know if the Section 205 application was made in respect of this number?
I have no idea, my Lord.
Anginalo ke ulwazi ukuthi ke kunesicelo ke noma lokho kubizwa phecelezi ku Section 205 mayelana nale number lena eqedwe ukubizwa.
Do you know if the Section 205 records were received in respect of this number?
I have no idea, my Lord. You can put that question to Brigadier Gininda.
Nokuthi ke futhi mayelana nale number lena futhi ke lo Section 205 cela ukuthi loyo mbuzo lowo ubuzeke kuyena uBrigadier Gininda.
You have not analyzed the Section 205 records?
My Lord, I'm not an analyst, my Lord. Brigadier Gininda was the one who was coordinating, my lord, the section 205, the analyzing of the 205 and the downloading. So I have no knowledge of that.
Angisiyena-ke umcwaningi umuntu-ke owayesebenza ngalokho-ke nalawo ma-section 205 bese cwaninga kubheka-ke ukuthi imiphumela yalokho yini kwakuyena uBrigadier Gininda.
My lord, I have no further questions because
Okay, thank
it
you.
seems like Brigadier Gininda is the one who is in charge of everything in this case.
Yes, he's the boss.
I don't seem to get positive answers from the witness.
Is it like Ramaphosa with the government ministers?
He's got the cabinet ministers. Maybe she's one of the ministers, I don't know. I mean in the rank of the SAPS. Thank you.